Use a durable, correctly installed weed barrier fabric to block ants from nesting and foraging in garden walkways. Install a UV-resistant woven or non-woven polypropylene fabric that is designed for long-term use and rated for foot traffic. Start by removing all existing vegetation and at least 2 inches of loose sandy soil so the fabric sits on firm subsoil, then rake the area smooth to eliminate voids where ants can tunnel. Lay the fabric with a 6-inch overlap at all seams and extend it under edging or pavers by at least 1 inch to avoid exposed soil gaps where ants can enter. Secure the fabric every 2 to 3 feet with galvanized U-stakes or landscape pins and cut fabric cleanly around posts or obstructions, using a folded patch and stakes to maintain continuous coverage. Cover the fabric with a minimum of 1 inch of clean gravel or pavers to protect it from sunlight and wear, and to deny ants surface access. Heavier covering reduces the chance of fabric tearing and reduces ultraviolet degradation. Inspect the walkways twice a year and after any heavy maintenance, pulling back covers to check for tunneling or tears, and repair or replace the fabric when seams are frayed or the material shows brittle cracking. Common problems are gaps at seams that let ants bypass the fabric that degrades under sunlight, leaving holes, and fabric left exposed or loosely secured so ants can burrow beneath. Overlap seams and use adhesive landscape seam tape or a folded double layer at joints to eliminate bypass pathways. Choose UV-stabilized materials and cover them promptly with gravel or paving to prevent ultraviolet breakdown and physical wear. Stake the fabric frequently and tuck edges under rigid edging or pavers, and replace sections showing brittleness every 2 to 5 years depending on sun exposure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details, photos, and timelines so users can find help for installing or replacing weed barrier fabric. We also host a discussion community where our members exchange tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations.